It's April 18th. It's going to be a decent day today, but we've got some showers and storms to watch for this afternoon. Right now, temperatures are in the 60s, kind of warm to start our day on a Thursday. It will not be this way tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the 40s to start the day. It's a pretty powerful front that's coming through, and because of that, we'll have that chance of showers and storms. The time frame I'm watching, I think it's going to be from 3 in the afternoon, probably around 7 or 8 in the evening. Uh, the Fort Smith area probably favored a little more than Northwest Arkansas to see storms. Let's see how this whole thing plays out. Here's how it looks right now, looking live at the 612 interchange. Some heavy traffic this morning and a lot of haze and fog. Of course, that fog was out there yesterday morning, too. We'll see some more of that until this front moves through and sweeps all that moisture out from the northwest to the southeast. It moves out pretty quick, too. So expect a big cool down in temperatures and a little bit of staying power for the weekend. I think it's going to be a cloudy, kind of a cool weekend for us with a chance of some showers that are out there. Let's look and see our current temperatures and also where the front is located. Right now, it's 65 out in Rogers and 66 in Bentonville. We're 68 in Fayetteville and actually 66 in Fayetteville and 68 out towards Springdale. I'm going to zoom on out here. There's the front. See it up to the northwest around Kansas City. This is going to be sweeping through this afternoon, and it doesn't really coincide with peak daytime heating. It's not coming through at like 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. It's coming through in the afternoon, which should help limit some of the severe risk. Not much of it, though. I think the higher threats out there in Missouri. Matter of fact, when you take a look at the severe risk area, it's the Boot Hill of Missouri has a higher risk. You can see the risk area picking up in eastern Oklahoma and all of Oz from Fort Smith through Fayetteville and Bentonville, as well as Rogers. Timeline wise, here's how it starts to break out. I started noticing it on the data moving into the Fort Smith area somewhere around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. So that's going to be the one to watch. I think they're widely scattered, so I don't think everybody will see rain out of this. Some of us won't get any rainfall, but those of us who do could see some gusty winds and maybe some hail with it as well. The tornado threat's there, but it's fairly low. Just the nature of the front moving so quick, that cold air tends to sweep the feet out from underneath any tornadoes that start to form. So it makes it a little more challenging for any tornadoes to really get going out there. But it'll be something to keep an eye on, and of course, something to watch for us too. Okay, so let's see if we can find out how this thing plays out. So here's the front. Let me back up and go to where we are this morning. We're heading into the morning hours, had those storms out there in Kansas. Let's jump ahead to, what do you say, about lunchtime today, right around noon. So here's how it plays out at noon. This is noon, still seeing some showers to the north. By 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, they start moving into Kansas. By 3, 4, and 5, they start moving through the area. But see how it's a broken line? Not everybody gets the showers and storms out of this. The stuff that's up there in Missouri is going to be severe, but this thing moves through somewhere towards the evening hours. I think it's gone by about 7 or 8, so it moves through fairly quick, and then we get back into that cooler air, and it's much, much cooler. I mentioned this, but by Friday morning, we're going to be in the 40s. By tomorrow morning at about 6 o'clock, you can see those 70s out there around Mississippi, but meanwhile here at home, we've got mid-40s in Benton County, so a pretty big cool down coming up for us. Bottom line, cold front today. Storms possible right around the time the kids are getting out of school through about supper time. By bedtime, everything is gone. Keying in on the time frame of drive time in the Fort Smith area around 5 o'clock or so, and that storm potential in northwest Arkansas late afternoon. Storms along the boundary could be severe. Overall, the risk isn't super high, but it is April and it's peak severe weather season, so it's possible that we could get some stuff going later on this afternoon with a rainy weekend coming up. Scattered showers likely. And next week, I was looking ahead at that too. It looks pretty active too, with a good chance of seeing some showers and storms for us on and off during next week. So take care of yourself, stay weather aware this afternoon, and watch out for those storms late afternoon, early evening.